inside scoop and stay in the know. Get ready to dive into the latest updates within the USL community.
Keep yourself informed as we gather as one Louisian community. This is
USL PASSIRIMMU. Hello to all Louisians who are watching us via Facebook Live. Welcome and lovely to see you again, Dr. Riza.
Lovely to see you too, Sir Kyle. Hello to our capable Louisians, the Louisian Stars and the Louisian Gems.
Hello to the faculty and students of the School of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology Education and the School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality.
Hi to the School of Education, Arts and Sciences and to the School of Health and Allied Sciences, the School of Graduate Studies and USL alumni.
Get ready to watch and listen as we now have even more amazing updates to share with you from all the exciting events and inspiring achievements we had in the recent month.
We are excited to share all of the amazing events and inspiring achievements from the past month.
Get the full scoop on all the good news we're Louisian correspondents. We've got a lot of updates to share and we'd love for you to be here with us until the end.
And we're not going to make it any longer. We now share with you a series of good news here in
USL PASSIRIMMU. Good news number 1. The University of St. Louis marked a 100% passing rate in the 2023 Medical Technologies Licensure Examination. Jillian Brabante, Salud Cureg, Adrian Velasco, and Janine Singapan gave pride to the university as they surmounted the said examination on March 8 and 9, 2023. Meanwhile, USL's School of Education, Arts and Sciences produced 31 new LPTs in the October 2022 licensure examination for teachers. The university achieved an institutional passing rate of 56.63% for the secondary level and 55.56% for the elementary level. 97 Louisians also obtained their certification in professional education last semester. Congratulations, new Louisian professionals.
Good news number 2. The University of St. Louis and BCG Training and Consultancy successfully trained 50 Louisian employees on QMS 105 Comprehensive Internal Quality Audit Training with MAC Audit. The 3-day training sought to produce competent and well-trained auditors who are capable of conducting internal quality audits. It was held on March 9, 10, and 13, 2023 at the Bulwagang Teodolfo Domingo, New AMC. Further, USL representatives initiated a 2-day benchmarking activity held on February 20 to 21, 2023 at various educational institutions in Manila and Rizal. Led by University President Reverend Father McQueen and Maniwang CICM, the USL representatives visited the University of Santo Tomas, Phoenix Publishing House, and Golden Faith Academy. The activity aimed to identify areas for improvement and ways to leverage 21st century learning methods while creating and delivering sustainable learning experiences for its students. Way to go, USL!
Good news number 3. The University of St. Louis has been working closely with Wat Champakiat University in Thailand to exchange knowledge and ideas through various collaboration initiatives. Ms. Ellen Joyce Manansala, Faculty of School of Health and Allied Sciences, is currently engaging in training and benchmarking activities on physical manufacturing held at the Partner University from March 6 to April 4, 2023. Further, USL accepted HCU's invitation to co-host the 10th HCU International Academic Conference, which will be held on June 29, 2023. USL and HCU's shared vision for academic excellence has been further cemented through this meaningful partnership.
Good news number 4. USL's Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers proved its excellence in academics and sports as it bagged medals during the first IIEE CCUB Student Summit 2023 held on February 25, 2023 at Cagayan State University, Carig Campus. USL's Team A was the champion for the CCUB Quiz Bowl, while USL's badminton women and esports MLBB teams were also the champions for their respective events. The USL badminton men's team won the overall first place, while the basketball team garnered the first runner-up. USL's Team B also placed third runner-up in the CCUB Quiz Bowl category. Meanwhile, 𝗪𝗪𝗖𝗛's two teams also landed among the finalists in the Executives Challenge 18, a national intercollegiate engineering science quiz contest held on February 18, 2023 at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. The Civil Engineering Executive Organization spearheaded the event, which was attended by 38 teams from 20 different colleges and universities in the Philippines. Congratulations, Louisian engineering students!
Good news number 5. After competing in the International STEM Olympiad Philippines, 4 grade 5 pupils from the university were qualified to compete in the Grand Finals, which will be held in Paris, France on July 18 to 23, 2023. Ariana Makatugal, James Philip Ramiro, Chloe Madara, and Lord Elijah Makasiray were medalists during the International STEM Olympiad Philippines held on February 26, 2023. 2 capable Louisians also made names during the International STEM Olympiad as they bagged 1st and 3rd in the Grade 3 Art category. 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 and 3rd respectively in the art category. Way to go, capable Louisians.
Good news number 6. Grade 12 Lorraine Sofia 𝗪𝗛𝗪 from St. Lucie, Rome won a Merit Award in the 2023 International Talent Mathematics Competition held in Bangkok, Thailand on February 25 to March 1, 2023. Further, Sian Cairo Patino, Jericho de la Cruz, Matthew Carl Agbayani, John Mark Soriano, and Zephyr Dayag bagged the Bronze Award in the Philippine Online Physics Olympiad. The competition was held on February 17 to 20, 2023 for the open round and on February 25, 2023 for the invitational round. On the other hand, the Senior High School of the University of St. Louis deployed 803 grade 12 students for their in-campus work immersion program. The students rendered 40 hours from February 27 to March 10, 2023. They were assigned to different departments and offices inside the university, where their deployment was based on their college course preferences. Congratulations, Louisian Gems!
Good news number 7. Aliyah Angelica Ocalangan from the junior high school bagged a silver medal during the Teen Eagle Online English Language International Competition Session 3 held on March 4, 2023. Aliyah has been qualified for the 2023 Global Finals, which will be held in Malaysia, Italy, and United Kingdom. Meanwhile, the junior high school honored 291 Louisian stars who are academic awardees for the second grading period of the current school year. They conferred 172 white card awardees and 119 blue card awardees during the second grading recognition program held on February 13, 2023 at James Termeer Gymnasium. Congratulations, Louisian Stars!
Good news number 8. The entries of several USL students bag awards during the 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗛 2023, held virtually on March 10 to 17, 2023. Keith Cardenas was declared the champion in the Pagsulat ng Sanaysay Senior High category. Lorraine Carpuz was also the champion in the Extemporaneous Speaking Senior High category. And Ariana Makatugal was the champion in the Traditional Poster Making Elementary category. Jane Andre Matilla won 2nd place in the Essay Writing Elementary, and Jean Lawrence M. Tumaliwan landed in 3rd place in the Digital Poster Making Senior High category. Further, USL's The Louisian Courier wins the 5th overall school highest pointer and various individual awards during the 19th Regional Higher Education Press Conference held on March 8 to 10, 2023 at Solano, Nueva Vizcaya. The college publications editor-in-chief Steve P.J. Carpio also garnered the 2nd overall individual highest pointer among the hundreds of student journalist participants. Congratulations to all the winners!
Good news number 9. The English language area of the School of Education, Arts and Sciences officially launched the revival of the English Enhancement Competency Program on March 10, 2023. The EECP aims to provide opportunities for SEAS students and students from other departments enrolled in English courses to improve and advance their proficiency in the English language. The program, which will run every Friday, will be sustained through varied grammar enhancement drills and oral communication drills.
Good news number 10. A total of 176 students from the elementary, junior high, and senior high schools received their sacrament of confirmation on March 3, 2023 at the Good Shepherd Chapel. This momentous occasion marks a new chapter in their spiritual lives as they receive the gifts of the Holy Spirit and are called to be missionary witnesses of Jesus Christ in their family, community, society, and the world.
Good news number 11. USL's Community Engagement and CICM advocacies through the Nutrition and Health Development Advocacy in partnership with the Cagayan Valley Medical Center and Northern Blood Services successfully conducted a 2-day blood donation program on March 20 to 21, 2023. The program serves a vital purpose in the community by addressing the increasing demand for blood supplies and providing life-saving support to patients in need.
Good news number 12. USL's Hatid-Kapatid Relief Operation went to Patagalig, Peña Blanca on March 22, 2023 to give relief goods and clothes to the affected families of a fire incident that took place on the dawn of March 17, 2023. A box of clothes, cups, and canned goods was donated by Our Lady of Talpa School, Los Angeles, California, through the Assistant Principal, Mrs. Bel Pantaleon.
Good news number 13. 29 USL criminology students recently hit the firing range for their first live firing activity held on March 19, 2023 at Camp Marcelo Aduro in Cagay, Tuguegarao City. This hands-on training is a required performance-based assessment task in their marksmanship class and a crucial part of their education as future law enforcement professionals. Meanwhile, USL's Bachelor of Physical Education students recently kicked off their swimming and aquatics class as part of their MAPE 1153 subject. This performance-based task will put their skills and knowledge to the test in a real-life setting, which is a necessary aspect of their training to become future professionals in the field of physical education. With safety measures in place, the students are assured of their security and welfare during the whole duration of their course activities.
Good news number 14. The University of St. Louis held various activities for the celebration of Women's Month. The Guidance and Counseling Center conducted Project Ganda, or Gender Awareness, Nurturance, and Development Advocacy on March 8, 2023. The activities held included free snack provision, a makeup tutorial, a free haircut and trimming, and photo booth services, among others. Further, the USL SECA, through its non-teaching personnel, organized an outreach program at Sinyo, Canaman, San Antonio, and Rile on March 11, 2023. The outreach was composed of 2 activities, which included the sharing of wisdom and the sharing of goods. Some employees of the University of St. Louis also participated in an orientation and education on gender and development held on March 24, 2023 at the N Building. By providing critical insights and resources, the initiative sought to solidify its support for a gender-equal environment for the future and is a continuing step towards creating a more inclusive and equitable community for all.
Good news number 15. The University of St. Louis held a month-long commemoration of Jesus' passion and death with the Stations of the Cross. Each Station of the Cross is a powerful reminder of the selfless love Jesus had for us. This 14-step devotion allows us to come and closer to understanding His sacrifice and all He did for us. USL conducted the holy activity every Friday for the whole month of March. Further, USL employees also took some time out of their busy schedules to gather for a recollection, getting their minds and spirit ready for the Holy Week. Participants revisited the significance and facts about the Holy Week, Triduum, and Easter through the discussion of Father Lloyd Paul Oloria in 2 different sessions held on March 23 and 24, 2023, and it sought to elicit a deeper understanding and appreciation of the Holy Week rites.
Good news number 16. The junior high school conducted a seminar on environmental sustainability on March 22, 2023 at the Bulwagang Pacifico CASEM. The activity sought to equip students with skills that will help them to become influential leaders in their school and community. On the other hand, the University of St. Louis, through its elementary SECA advocacy, conducted Project Pistahan, or Pupils Expedite and Awake Oneness for Harmonious Community Engagement, held at Sitio Canaman, San Antonio, Enrile. This was in collaboration with Executive Family Council Officer, Police Major Sharon Malilin, where she discussed peace building in the community and shared various ways to mitigate conflicts, violence, and hostility.
Good news number 17. The University of St. Louis welcomed delegates from various Philippine CICM institutions on campus to take part in the CICM Students Convergence held on March 15 to 18, 2023. Student and faculty representatives from St. Louis University of Baguio City, St. Louis College of La Union, St. Mary's University of 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪, and St. Louis College of Cebu, as well as USL, engaged in discourse, workshops, and meaningful exchange of knowledge and ideas on several holistic topics and societal issues. And good news number 18. Enrollment for school year 2023-2024 for incoming grade 11 and first-year college students here at the University of St. Louis is now open. Experience a swift and smooth transaction through our same-day enrollment scheme.
No more long lines and tedious processes, just a smooth and hassle-free experience. Head on to USL's official Facebook page for all the details and get ready to soar to new heights.
And don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the Louisian culture of excellence. We can't wait to see you on campus. Start right, come over to the Louisian side. You have just heard a series of good news about the latest achievements and happenings in the university. Our mission of constant dedication to service ensures that everyone involved has a remarkable experience.
With their unwavering commitment to teaching, learning, service, and stewardship, the University of St. Louis continues to provide its students and stakeholders with quality standards of education.
And as a lifetime mission, the university is dedicated to the integral human formation of the youth who will become mature Christians and active members of the church.
It's been a pleasure to share our good news with you all. We thank everyone who has listened and stayed with us.
Mark your calendars because we'll bring even more exciting news about the university next month. This is USL PASSIRIMMU.